Station, this is Houston. Are you ready for the event?
And the station is ready for the event.
Houston ACR, this is Mission Control Houston. Please call station for a voice check.
Station, this is Houston ACR. How do you hear me?
The International Space Station has you loud and clear, Houston. How us?
Hi, I'm Ken Bowersox, Deputy Associate Administrator for NASA's Human Exploration and Operations Mission Director. This year, NASA's Office of STEM Engagement is hosting the Artemis Student Challenges, in which students from middle through graduate school will be introduced to topics and technologies critical to the success of the agency's Artemis missions. The directorate I work in at NASA is focused on these missions, including sending the first woman and next man to the lunar surface by 2024. Together with the Office of STEM Engagement, we want to encourage the next generation of explorers who will take us further than ever before, the Artemis generation. We're excited to have some of the participants of this year's Artemis Student Challenges and possibly the future of NASA's workforce with us today as they speak to NASA astronaut Bob Behnken, who joins us live from the International Space Station. So let's begin with our first question.
Hi, my name is Swathi from Columbia University, and I participate in My Crew G Next. My question is, Artemis is the Apollo of our generation. So what advice do you have for college students looking to contribute to the success of space exploration?
Well, that's a wonderful question. What advice would I, as an astronaut living right now on board the International Space Station, give to those who are interested in the next big program, the Artemis program, and going further and beyond where we are right now in low Earth orbit? Is to follow your dreams. You know, when I was young, I didn't necessarily believe for sure that I would become an astronaut one day or have a small part in the human exploration program, but I followed my dreams and I was able to achieve what I've achieved so far, and it's just been a wonderful experience. And so follow your dreams.
Hi, my name is Nate from Northview High School in Ohio, and I participated in the student launch. My question for you is there any differences in training astronauts receive when preparing for the moon versus preparing for Mars?
It's a really good question about what we would do from a training perspective to prepare differently if we were going to a location other than the International Space Station, going to the moon, or going on to Mars. The level of preparation will be extensive for those crews. Understanding the mission that's in front of them will be important. One of the challenges that they will face that we don't necessarily face is that the ground is always available to us almost instantaneously. Very often I can do things like reach out and call my family, for example, in addition to, of course, talking to the mission control team. For missions that are further away and that may have different pathways that the communication stream takes to get back to Earth and get back to the team, being able to operate for extensive periods without assistance, that more autonomous approach, if you will, is going to be critical for our ability to continue to operate. We often have questions during the day up here, and it's just not going to be practical to be able to ask those questions or stand by and wait for an answer with the level of work that needs to be done as we prepare for missions further out. Well, thank you for the opportunity to participate in such a glorious event. I really do think it's important for students of all ages to face the challenges of trying to produce something that solves a real-world problem. And our space challenges as we move forward for deeper exploration really provide that opportunity. We have plenty of experiments or equipment on board the International Space Station that student teams have developed, and I look forward to seeing what ideas come next.
Station, this is Houston ACR. That concludes our event as we count down to 20 continuous years of humans living and working on the International Space Station. Thank you.
And thank you to all participants from the Artemis Student Challenge Station. We're now resuming operational comm.